It's Jobs Week once again, with three key measures of labor market strength to be revealed. Let's take a look at what's happening in the economy this week. Before we begin, remember to like this video and subscribe for more economic updates. Jobs Week kicks off on Tuesday with the release of the Labor Department's April Job Openings and Labor Turnover Survey. Economists expect to see that job openings declined in April by about 100,000 to a figure of 8.38 million. Overall, while openings are still above pre-global health crisis levels, they remain about 30% lower than the peak reached in spring of 2022. The next day, Wednesday, payroll processor ADP will check in with its National Employment Report for May. Economists expect the report to show that private sector employment rose by 172,500 in May, which would be a 10% decline from the number of jobs added in April. Then on Friday, the Labor Department will be back to round out the week's jobs data with its release of the headline non-farm payrolls report for May. Economists expect the government's official jobs numbers to reflect persistent strength in the labor market. The consensus estimate is for an increase of 180,000 jobs, 5,000 more than the number added in April. The unemployment rate is forecast to remain at 3.9%, which would mark the 28th consecutive month it's come in under 4%. On Wednesday, the ISM returns to release its services PMI for last month. In April, services PMI landed at 49.4, the first time in 16 months it dropped below 50 and into contraction territory. However, the index for May is projected to come in nearly 1.5 points higher, putting it back on the expansion side of the gauge. Finally, the European Central Bank will announce its monetary policy decision later this week. The ECB is projected to announce on Thursday that it's lowering interest rates by a quarter point to 3.75%. It would be the ECB's first rate reduction in about 5 years. The central bank's current tightening cycle began in July 2022, when rates in the Eurozone were in negative territory. The ECB's policy meeting comes just days after the Eurozone's May report on price pressures, which confirmed that inflation landed below 3% for the 8th straight month. That's it for now. You can find me back here on Saturday when we'll be recapping the biggest events in the economy that happened this week. This is Devlyn Steele for Augusta Precious Metals signing out.